Bordering the Bay of Khambat, Jambusar Taluk in Bharuch district is blooming with greenery. Until recently, Jambusar was a barren mudflat, inhabited by 5,000 landless agricultural labourers living in 60 villages. The local communities of this region were gripped in poverty and debt. Degradation of natural resources, soil erosion, and high salinity levels were a threat to their livelihood and survival. SR Bulk Terminal, in association with Save Limited and with the support of Jan Shakti Parishad, a community-based organization, took it upon themselves to support the villagers. They initiated the cultivation and plantation of mangroves in the region.
While SR Bulk Terminal is berthing deep draft vessels at Hazira, thereby helping the nature in reduction of fuel emissions. At the same time, we have taken up a project in the Gujarat coastal region with the help of organization SAFE, wherein we are planting about 100 hectares of mangrove in this year. As we all know, mangroves is helping in maintaining the ecological balance of the Mother Earth. At the same time, it is giving livelihood to the local villagers who are throughout the year employed in planting of mangroves. SR Bulk Terminal is committed 100 hectares of mangrove plantation in financial year 2015-16, and we will continue to do so in years to come.
તમને રોજગારી મળી અને કઈ ફાયદો ખરો?
ફાયદો પડે ને થોડો. આવું બધું ચાલે, ઘરનું હારું, છોકરાનું હારું ચાલે, ભણાઈએ ગણાઈએ ને સંસ્કાર હારો ચાલે અમાર.
Today, the mangrove spreads over 300 hectares of coastal land. It has not only revived the once barren mudflats, but also brought vivacity into the lives of local communities. The Green Belt has facilitated sustainable development by protecting the environment and maintaining ecological balance. The mangroves have helped prevent soil erosion, reduce flood threats, and biodegradation. It has also become a home to many bird species.
The present project is rooted in 35 years of work with extremely poor people in this region. When we started all this work around 2008, 2009, there were the areas, sort of the work got little slowed down. Again, in 2011, SR got in touch with us and said if you could pick up mangrove regeneration activities in your region as part of their compliance needs, we would be very happy to do that, and that's how it all started.
From SR Ports, we started mangrove plantation from 2008. Initially, we done around 300 hectares near Bharuch. Once the area is saturated, we are looking for a new area. Luckily, we found Mr. Rajesa. Then he suggested this place. Then we started from 2011. Last 3 years, we are doing annually 100 hectares mangrove. But apart from environmental protection, we are indirectly helping CSR. Now we are looking beyond. So we want to go further 500 hectares.
सेव और जनशक्ति परिषद इन दोनों को साथ में एसआर ने 300 हेक्टेयर का मैंग्रोव प्रोजेक्ट दिया है. पूरा मैंग्रोव प्रोजेक्ट का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन यहाँ लोकल कम्युनिटी को साथ में रख के 3 गांव उसमें काम करते हैं. बादू में नाड़ा, आसरसा और कपूरिया, तीनों गांव में 50-60 फैमिली यहाँ आके ये काम कर रहे हैं.
The mangrove plantation has led to a significant improvement in the marine life, which gives the fishermen better catches. The fish are sold in local markets, yielding handsome returns.
5 વર્ષથી. હા.
દરરોજની કેટલી મચ્છી પકડો છો?
5-1 કિલો લઈ જાઉં છું.
તમને એકલાને ફાયદો થયો કે બધામાં?
ના, બધાને જ ફાયદો થયો છે.
કેટલા અહીં મચ્છી પકડવા માણસો આવે?
અહીં આગળ નાળાના આવે છે, આસરસાના આવે છે, ટંકાળીના આવે છે, સિંગેણાના છે, કપુડિયા.
7 થી 8 ગામ.
હું આસનવરના 200-300 માણસ થતું હશે.
A few from the communities also found employment as data entry operators in Jan Shakti Parishad, thus opening new vistas for the villagers.
પહેલા હું એસઆર કંપની તરફથી ટાવર પ્રોજેક્ટ ચાલતો હતો તે તેમાં હું મજૂરી કરતી હતી એમ કે ટવર ડાયરેક્ટ ડિબલિંગ ને નર્સરીમાં રોપા રોપતી હતી. અત્યારે હું જનશક્તિ પરિષદમાં તાલીમ લીધી અને કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં ડેટા એન્ટ્રી કરું છું.
अभी मैं जनशक्ति परिषद द्वारा कंप्यूटर ने 1 महीना ट्रेनिंग लेकर जम्मूसर जनशक्ति ऑफिस में डेटा एंट्री काम करूँ छूँ. मेरे ये काम करने से मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ है. मैं पहले मजदूर तरीके काम करती थी, अभी मैं बहुत अच्छा फील करती हूँ.
The mangrove plantation is yet another manifestation of SR's commitment to support communities and demonstrate inclusivity and empowerment.